Hello and welcome back to Josh's Food Review. Today we're reviewing Smarties. Yeah, now I like Smarties, but I haven't really had any in a while. But I'm excited to eat these. If I can open them, this might take a while. But here we go. Here's a little Smartie right here. Yes, nice. Yeah. Now I got these a few months ago, so they're kind of hard. They're still pretty good. Nice and sweet. I like the texture. I like the flavor. It's like there's a flavor that like settles in your mouth for a while after you eat one. I guess like yeah, like in the back of your tongue. It's nice. I like it. Uh, now I like the wrapper. It's nice. I'd say 8 point, just a 8, solid 8 out of 10.